Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my new video. Today video title is guys find my device how can we turn off. Friends, you want to off your find my device setting in your realme phone. So friends, how can you off? You don't know how to off it. So don't worry, in this video I will show you how can you find my device. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to off find my device. Then guys scroll it. Password and security setting, friends, you can see. So friends, tap here and guys you can see guys there are two settings. First guys, manage password setting, and as you can see system security setting. So friends, you can see guys your system security setting, can tap here. Sorry friends, I paused the video because of sound. So as now you can see guys your find my device setting, can tap here. Then guys you can see use my find my device, and guys you want to turn off, so as you can turn off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off find my device in our realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.